Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Pullen looks at Obsessive Compulsive Disorder, OCD.
Obsessive Compulsive Disorder, OCD, is a mental health condition marked by recurring intrusive thoughts and fears known as obsessions. The condition is quite common in Jamaica.
Many people with obsessive compulsive disorder, they know about the condition, but the other people around might not know that there is a disorder. It's a disorder when it is impairing functioning, because many people will have obsessive compulsive personality, and this is not necessarily a bad thing, because you tend to do things very well with obsessive compulsive personality.
The cause of OCD is not fully known, but there's a genetic link. Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Earl Wright says OCD can significantly disrupt one's daily life.
When it becomes a disorder is when the intrusive thoughts, they are at work and their intrusive thought comes in to wash your hand, or intrusive thought comes in that you must straighten the picture over the way, or you can't leave your home in the morning without checking the door 20 times to make sure that it's locked, or at night you can't go to bed, or some people always have to do so many steps before they can move to another situation.
There's no sure way to prevent OCD. However, getting treatment as soon as possible may help keep the condition from getting worse.
Treatment for it is also very difficult, because there is no specific medication that's gonna cure the obsessive compulsive disorder. It's the talk therapy and working with the individual so they can manage it better. What happens, the treatment many times is that you treat the depression that occurs with it, or the anxiety that occurs with it, and that dampens down the obsessive compulsive actions or the intrusive thought, but it doesn't cure it.
Persons with OCD are reminded to take medications, seek support, learn to relax, and exercise. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.